On me, this is addiction. I don't smoke, I don't drink, but my addiction is this. This is my drug. Nothing else.
Hi, hello, namaskar, namaste, salam, walaikum, shishkal to everyone. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is one special episode over here with Shounakda. Shounakda,
Hello.
say hi to the viewers. So, Shounakda is an expert of flower art according to me. And जब भी you see this flower on over here, जब भी कुछ भी doubt रहता है, कुछ भी रहता है, ask him. And I thought, why not, चलो Shounakda come and let's talk about flower on to the viewers over there.
Sure.
So आज के episode में we will be talking about flower horns, and in specific the topic which we have selected for you guys is how can you select a good flower horn. कैसे आप लोग जब भी एक सेलर के पास जा रहे हो या फिर कुछ भी, कैसे आप लोग देख पाएंगे, समझ पाएंगे कि एक अच्छा फ्लावर हॉर्न कैसे सिलेक्ट करना है. एंड और भी बहुत कुछ टॉपिक्स है जो हम लोग बात करेंगे. सो शौनक द प्लीज एनलाइटन अस ऑन दैट टॉपिक.
Okay. So first of all, I would like to say that I am not a master of flower horns, like Rahul always says. I have been keeping flower horns for last, I guess, more than 7 years now. So I am still learning. I am still a learner. I am still a hobbyist. So basically, मुझे जो लगता है कि you should at least buy a fish who is at least a minimum of 3 to 3.5 inches, not less than that. क्योंकि उससे अगर छोटा होता है तो it's very hard to identify what will be the potential of the fish.
Correct.
और what is the genetical makeup of the fish. क्योंकि to show its potential or to understand कि उसके अंदर कौन सा जीन है और क्या क्वालिटी है, तो it will take at least a minimum of 3 to 3.5 inches. It will take some growth. तो if you speak like जैसे अगर आप लेते हो कि जैसे we as a humans we do not show our potential at a very small age, right, or at a very small size. So we also take some time to grow, some time to develop, to show our true potential.
दैट मीन्स मतलब स्कूल का लड़के लोग सब समझ ही रहे हो. जैसे अभी दिख रहे हो छोटा बाल पे ऑयल लगा के एकदम मतलब मामास बॉय, यू नॉट गोना बी मामास बॉय. जब बड़े हो जाओगे यू गोना बी अ स्टड. So same.
exactly.
So ऐसा ही होगा.
0.5 inches और 1 inch का फ्राई देख के बोल देगा कि it will grow up to be a monster cock or grow up to be a competition grade flower horn. So that is total bullshit. When it's 2.5 inches to 3 inches, तब से you can have an idea of how that fish will be.
Might be. Correct.
It's between 3 to 3.5 inches, then you can have a clear idea कि ये fish ऐसे होगा कि वैसे होगा. Obviously, it will still develop, it will still grow, it will still change as it grows up, as it matures.
Correct.
But at least you will have an idea, at least 50% of an idea कि कैसे हो सकता है. In 1 inch size or 1.5 inch size, you can have a very clear understanding कि उसका body shape कैसे होगा. कि वो long body का होगा कि short body का होगा.
We can elaborate this thing like what can we identify in a flower horn. Like we can elaborate this in a new topic as well.
Right.
But coming back to the topic which we were talking about, what is the next point you would say a flower horn?
Next point, next point. The first point that I did, and I think सभी को करना चाहिए कि before buying a fish, you should research and select a good mentor.
Correct.
Or a guide.
Correct.
Who has a lot of experience, who have been keeping fishes for a long time, flower on fishes. जब मैं hobby में आया तो it was totally, though it had already been going down, but still there were a few genuine people who guided me.
Correct.
So I was very fortunate उस angle से. I did my research, my own research.
Correct.
I got my own understanding.
Correct.
ये जब तक you don't develop, तो you won't be able to keep any fish. You will it's not like एक
you need to have your own personal opinion, like personal
obviously,
observation. That is
observation, understanding.
Correct.
So what matters most is your observation, your experience. अच्छा, how to identify a good fish or a healthy fish? पहले look at the general condition of the fish. Obviously, अभी जो होता है कि we see the fish on video.
Correct.
Or on video call.
Yeah.
So video
WhatsApp
call
video.
में, yeah, WhatsApp video. So WhatsApp, like on live video, it's very difficult to understand the quality of the fish. Maybe the connection is bad, the camera quality खराब हो. तो what I would suggest कि when you are talking to a seller, तो tell him or ask him to send you a proper video of the fish. ठीक तरीके से सामने रख के how the, and look how the fish is moving, how the fish is interacting to the person. If it is how its color and pearls are popping. If the fish is sick, so it will not interact, it will not come forward
to you. Okay.
तो ऐसे interact नहीं करेगा कि हाथ देख के सामने आ जाए like this fish is doing right now.
But
So,
let us tell to the viewers
Yeah,
like ये fish भी to just 24 hours के ऊपर ही थोड़ा सा हुआ है, it has come to this tank. So थोड़ा सा अभी तक
Yeah,
it has
but
to
still-
yet to settle.
yeah, but still it is healthy
It is
because it is interacting.
So basically we can say the movement of the fish and
Yeah, the
interaction
movement-
of the fish,
Yeah.
that will make us help us to identify whether the fish is healthy or not.
Exactly. And अगर ये fish if it is not healthy or if it is shy, तो it will ये पीछे चला जाएगा टैंक के पीछे जाके it will get scared. हो सकता है कि ऊपर जाके it breathes.
Gasping for air.
Yeah, gasping
Okay,
for air और इसका कलर चला जाए, it becomes totally dark.
तो कभी ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, so this thing
Yeah.
happens, I am telling you कि ऐसा हुआ, वीडियो डाला, ठीक है, तो देन उसके बाद जब कुछ दिन बाद जब वो सेलर से हम लेने जा रहे हैं, so the fish is stressed that time, but seller says कि वो अभी stressed है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, घर लेके रॉक सॉल्ट डाल दो, ये कर दो, ठीक हो जाएगा. So what do you think a person should do at that point? Refrain from buying, or should he buy, or should he?
Like you should interact with the seller frequently. If you have decided कि मुझे ये fish लेना है, तो ask your seller to give you updates. If he is a genuine seller,
He will
give you updates.
I think one thing you might agree also, like जो मेरे को जो लगता है, it is nothing to feel bad, but every fish keeper, like या फिर hobby में every fish keeper, it's evident that शुरू में he will lose money. I think.
Absolutely. I also lost money.
उसके लिए emotional होके मतलब
No.
वो करना.
Exactly. This is a very important point or thing that people should keep in mind.
Correct.
First thing is budget.
Correct.
So what I would suggest कि if you are keeping flower on for the first time or maybe for the second time, it's better not to spend too much money. According to me, spend a maximum of 2,000-2,500. Just
correct,
which is very comfortable. कि अगर वो fish को कुछ हो भी जाता है तो you won't lose a lot of money. तो उस side से भी like you won't get so depressed कि obviously 2,500 rupees is a lot of money for some people. तो obviously then go for 500 rupees. ये चीज़ आप लोगों के दिमाग में clear रहना चाहिए कि expect what you are paying for. If you are paying 500 rupees, expect that fish to be of 500 rupees quality only. Don't expect it to be of 3,000 rupees quality or 5,000 rupees quality.
And जो claim करता है, that is wrong.
To me, I would like to say it's not possible. Why would someone lose money? The first point is just look at the quality of the fish. अगर his pearl is shining, his pearl is very bright, color is bright, तो then you can go for the and obviously the movement. अगर वो fish move कर रहा है कि नहीं, look very closely because might be उसका कुछ deformity रहे कि the swimming should be the proper कि ये properly is going इधर उधर और
क्या problem होता है, like how can you see that whether it's
if the flower is in a big tank or in a proper size tank, might be some fishes have problem कि एक side से उधर side जाने में in one instance some fishes cannot go, so that means
they
that
will
fish
stop, they will go like
they
that.
will ये देख के ऐसा लगेगा कि उसको बहुत परेशानी हो रहा है कि इस साइड से उस साइड जाने के लिए.
Okay. Smooth movement is there.
Smooth movement, exactly.
Okay.
Smooth movement अगर ना हो, अगर वो fish ज़्यादातर ऊपर की तरफ if it stays upward for a majority of the time, if he is having problem coming to the bottom of the tank, that means he has some problem.
Correct.
Body structure again comes to your individual preference. Some likes the short body, किसी को long body पसंद है, किसी को box body पसंद है, किसी को काम्फा में जो होता है कि some likes the rat tail, peacock tail. So those fishes are costly, and it depends upon the bloodline also. And one thing I would like to add कि buy fish from a genuine seller and buy fish from a trusted bloodline. So do your research. for example, if you want to buy from bloodline A, so do your research, see what is the result of the previous batches of bloodline A, or what is the previous result of that breeder.
Correct.
You will have an understanding ki, yeah, okay, his quality is like this, or this batch has already produced this quality. Don't believe on just words. Do your research, ask for previous batch results. At least have an understanding ki what you can expect from that
Correct.
breeder's batch,
Correct.
or what you can expect from that bloodline.
Anyways, I think I would conclude also that ki do your research, which is the most important thing. And selecting of the flower-on, Bhaiya already told you ki go for a flower-on size of minimum 3 inch, 3.5 inch plus.
Minimum, at least, if not 3 inch, at least 2.5 to 3 inch, at least 2.8 inch.
To
maybe.
be in the safer side, I think 3.5
3.5 inch is the best
is
size
the best
to
size
understand.
to understand. Then you can go for, depending upon their color and also like for the movement of the fish, and trust your seller. And also these are all the points. Hope this video has been informative for you, and write it down in the comment section down below ki, or what do you want to know and what do you think about all the opinions Bhaiya said over here. Guys, that was it for today. Hope you have enjoyed this episode, and if you have enjoyed this episode somehow, then do not forget to hit the like button over there, and share this video with your friends and family. Guys, take care. Bye bye. See you. Meet you in one next episode. Bye bye.